is peanut butter. And there's nothing better that goes with peanut butter other than fresh fruit. Blueberries, strawberries, grapes, pineapple, peaches, any kind of fruit you want goes great with peanut butter. And I have a piece of gluten-free toast, and I'm gonna spread my natural peanut butter onto my toast, and I'm gonna take my blueberries and just put them right on top. Just put them right on top there. It's almost like jelly without the refined sugar. And you could smash them, and it will get the juice from the blueberries onto the peanut butter and bread, and it's amazingly delicious. Great for a snack or great for breakfast. I could also take my peanut butter, put it on my toast, and you don't have to use toast, you can just use bread if you want. And I took my grapes and cut them in half so the juice from the grapes will be smeared into the peanut butter, so it'll be kind of like grape jelly, only different. So these are a couple of great ideas for snacks in the afternoon, for breakfast. Very delicious, very healthy, and all natural.